Before we end this Redux session, let us take a look to see how we can see the data immediately, okay, of the people who are getting added contacts, okay, instead of waiting for that asynchronous. Because what is happening is in that this.handle submit, we are actually consoling log. So I have removed that, and what I've done is I've added this. So what I'm doing here is I'm just saying this.props.contact. So this is going to give me the state contacts, right? So whatever is from the Redux store, it comes back and I have a and an index. A is actually the object. So it will contain the name, all the properties in my case, a.name and phone. So I'm just looping through this to see the value. So this will get updated as soon as we enter a value. So let's take a look here and say, so it shows me Jim and this number, and then we can say Jim. So this way it keeps on getting added. Okay, so this is a more efficient way of, but remember one thing again, this is coming from the Redux store. Alright, so please make this change. So what you have to do is you have to go over here. Basically what we are saying, this.props.contact.map. So since it's a array, we pass an a and an index. Index is the number, serial index number. A.name, A.phone will retrieve the values, and this will happen till all the values are shown in the UI. Alright, so please also complete this part. So you should be able to see something like this. Whatever data you enter, you should be able to see over here. Please pause the video here and complete the whole assignment that you have seen